Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to stream Xbox using Xbox Cloud Gaming. So you can play Xbox game on your phone using Xbox Remote or Xbox Cloud Gaming. So I'm going to share with you the method that you can use to play the Xbox Cloud Gaming. So let's get started. So using the Xbox Cloud Gaming, no console needed, requires Game Pass Ultimate. So to do this, you have to sign up to your cloud gaming, then open the web browser and go to www.xbox.com/play, then sign in with your Xbox Game Pass with your Ultimate account. Then on the step 2, you have to play game on your phone. So browse the Game Pass library and select a cloud compatible games, then connect a Bluetooth controller or use the touch controller if supported, then tap play to start the game. Then you can now stream Xbox games from cloud without needing a console on your device. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.